In this video, we'll show you how to change the rear shocks on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford F-150 safely. Brush off the bolts of the rear shock and spray the bolts with penetrating oil. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, unscrew the shock's lower retaining bolt. Block the rotation of the holding nut with an 18mm wrench. Then remove the bolt. Using a crowbar, free the shock base from its slot. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, unscrew the upper fastening bolt of the shock. Block the rotation of the holding nut with an 18mm wrench. Hold the shock absorber with one hand and finish unscrewing the retaining bolt with the other. You can now extract the shock.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Using a wire brush, brush off the location of the shock absorber and grease to make it easier to install. You can order the rear shocks used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take your new shock. Insert the shock starting from the top part. Screw the bolt back in roughly by hand. Insert the shock into its lower slot. Then install the lower retaining bolt. Once in place, screw the retaining nut back on. You can then screw the upper bolt back in using a ratchet until it makes contact. Finish tightening the shock attachments with a torque wrench. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your truck back on the ground before properly fixing the wheels in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.